Hey guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot. Today I'm going to be reacting to BTS Save Me. Yeah, this was one of the songs which was in that home concert, NPR home concert, and I said I was going to react to it and now I'm doing that. So let's start reacting to this. Okay, the logo. Okay, I love the start of this music. I'm really loving the start of the music, and this camera work is also nice. The way it is going towards the guys most probably, and it's like a field. I think green field. Lighting is like, I think evening. Let's see more. It has a subtleness to it. Let's see the music how it goes from here. And I think this is Jimin. I think. I was right. Okay, this is the lyrics are really I think kind of sad, because it's like he's locked and it's like he's dead. I mean, this kind of lyrics I did not expect it to be like that. Because it was kind of, later on it had a little fun too. Let's see more. Okay, don't wanna be lonely, just wanna be yours. That's, and the way the voice of Jimin is really nice in this. Okay. I said there was like a raindrop coming, the voice like drops in the music, and there's this, the whole environment is like rainy with clouds. I think they used that, which is pretty nice. And strangers broken my figure, it's dark, it's talking about the girl. Okay. He's saying that you have to save me, I can't hold myself. That is okay. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The darkness is shining so bright. I mean, the contradiction in this statement itself. And the music in the back is crazy. I'm loving the music and the lyrics. Whoa. That is so good. I mean, give me your hand and save me. He needs the love, that love, so that he doesn't fall. And that's like fall. So it's really nice effects. Oh, they're repeating it. Whoa, the choreography in this, my god. I mean, them in a circle now. Circle, okay. It's going to be different formations they're going to use. I think the choreography is going to be pretty interesting in this. Let's see, interesting. So they're repeating this line. Okay, nice. The voice is not god. This music, you have to listen to it and you have to dance to this music. In contrast to those lyrics, the music is really energetic and kind of fun, I think. Just as I thought, the choreography is really nice. I mean, it's like you want to get up and dance. Okay, the Sugar started rapping, and it's like I have to read that. It's like Everything is Lunatic Night is swallowing me. The darkness, the night. They have used lots of adjectives like that. And please save tonight. It's like he's gonna say that. Okay. Okay, please save that. I love his lies. The childish craziness. You can save me tonight. Okay, this. I always love Sugar's rap parts, and I'm loving this also. Okay, Jeho. That is so, he is so into that girl. It's like the best of me is only with you only. Your hand is the one which is pushing me up. That kind of thing. So even her voice is making him laugh. I mean, hearing the voice of the girl. Okay. His sadness is going away because of her voices. Okay. Listen to heartbeat. Oh God. Again that contradictory line. God, this is so good. I mean, it's really what this. Okay. Stay. This is so well, and I think this is Jin with a cap and blonde hair. I just love Jin with blonde hair. It's really okay, and their outfits are also pretty nice. I mean, they are not really colorful. They're like gray, black, white, which is going with the whole setup of this. The black caps. I think two people are wearing caps. That I think it's Jin and Namjoon. Yeah, and others are like white, black, gray. Okay, not subtle colors. I think. Yeah, that's what it is. Subtle colors. Okay, okay, he had this shirt and I think it's written Travesty in it, I think. But I think Namjoon is going to start rapping now because he's coming towards the camera. And I'm always waiting for his raps. Let's see in that. So he's saying, thank you for making me myself and giving me wings. Ironing my wrinkles. I mean, so much partnership was given to him by that girl or army. I don't know what. We have given them wings or something like that. I don't know. I think. Let's see. Okay, waking me up from my dream, and he's still comparing the things that person has done for him. Okay. Okay, there's like she's the sun to him. Okay, that is really sweet. And then he's like, thank you, be ourselves. That kind of message they give, that be ourselves, be yourself. That's what it is. Really nice. Okay. Again. Oh God. It's like the way they said fall. This is so good. Okay, this is coming back to it again. I think this is the main line chorus which they use again and again, which is really nice actually. I'm really loving the background and the music. Their voice is just crazy vocals, really. Whoa. They just like fell in the end. So is it dark? Boy meets what? It's kind of part of the story, I guess. It's like boy meets. I think after that some other song came. Yeah, this is so good. I was really wanting to react to this after I heard it there in that concert. it was different with the live band, and they had used some different tones and vocals in that also. It was much more fun. But here it was totally different. Save Me, they have really lots of theory, BTS, and it's really hard to theorize this what it was. It was like that person or army is the one that has given them wings, and they want us to be ourselves and save ourselves if we are feeling down, something like that. So it was a pretty good, it had a good message, so I liked it. It was pretty nice, but I liked that version better. I don't know why, but okay. But because I think it was live and there was a band and those guitar voices and all that, but okay. So this one I loved it too. It's pretty nice. Overall it was really good. So if you like my reaction, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, any suggestion, you can put it on the comment section. With